Okay, so normal queue versus circular queue. Okay, so the difference is this. In normal linear queue, what's going to happen is that once you keep adding elements inside of the queue, okay, eventually you're going to reach here. Okay, and the thing is, once you do reach here and you try to add another element, of course it's full. But once you delete something, right, because remember your R is going to be here and your F is going to be here. Okay, so say now I'm going to delete stuff. Okay, once I delete stuff, F is going to be here. Then I delete another thing, F is going to be there. Then I keep deleting, F is going to be here. Okay, and the thing is that basically in a linear queue you have this problem. Okay, if I'm not wrong, you'll have this problem that your size is restricted. Okay, so if you delete something, right, then you can't really like wrap around, this R is not gonna be coming over here. Okay, so you can like reuse this entire wasted space. Okay, that's the problem with the linear queue. So people have come up with a better idea called like a circular queue. Okay, in a circular queue the R wraps around. Okay, so you get your R. Actually, let me erase this, sorry. So you're gonna get your R, which was once here, it's gonna come here and it's gonna wrap around. Same with the F. Okay, so that's just a concept of circular queue. Okay, it's not that difficult, it's actually very easy. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.